In this video, I want to share with you 3 best marketing books you should read right now, regardless of whether you are a beginner or a pro. These 3 books can dramatically improve your marketing skills. They give you a great competitive advantage when you consult a professional or a business owner on how to improve their marketing. Or you can use their information to start your business, no matter what you want to sell, physical products or digital products. Do not limit yourself to reading these books, but put them into practice as soon as possible. Indeed, information is worthless if you don't convert it into an experience. Keep it in mind. My name is Max Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur. It means selling your expertise or someone else's knowledge to help people solve their problems. On YouTube, I share my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Book number 1, Blue Ocean Strategy. How to create uncontested market space and make the competition irrelevant. Italian version. This is a must book to read for every entrepreneur, infopreneur, professional, business owner and marketing strategist. In a world with so much competition, you can't run your company by offering the same products or services with the same marketing strategies and serving the same audience. You absolutely need to know how to differentiate yourself from the competition in order to be perceived differently. Indeed, part of the Ocean Blue strategy can be resumed in these 3 points. Number 1. You don't have to compete in an existing market space, but create a new and therefore undisputed one. Number 2, you don't have to be the competition, but make it irrelevant. And number 3, you don't have to exploit the demand of existing markets, but create and conquer new ones. Value innovation is the pivot concept around this book. Value innovation allows companies that align innovation with utility, price and cost reduction to pursue the blue ocean strategy that frees them from the boundaries of the market they operated till now. In support of their thesis, the authors present cases relating to numerous companies that have dominated previously neglected market spaces and in this way have managed to make competition irrelevant. To name a few of them: Cirque du Soleil, Swatch, Body Shop, NetJets, Starbucks, Yellowtail and Southwest Airlines. Particularly useful for practical purposes is the description of the analysis tools that companies can use to define their blue ocean strategy. 1. The strategy canvas. 2. The 4 actions framework. 3. The eliminate, reduce, raise, create grid. 4. 3 characteristics of a good strategy. And 5. How to interpret the value curve. Please read this book as soon as possible. And always remember that brand positioning guides all your marketing efforts. Book number 2, Focus. The future of your company depends on it. I love this book and it's helped me a lot in understanding how to build a successful company without being distracted by dumb things. This book is built around the importance of focalization. When your company is focused to solve a specific problem for a defined audience, you are in a position to dominate your market. To expand their company's profits, most business owners try to sell different products and services by completely changing their brand positioning. Instead, they should scale their business in a completely different way. Always remember that when your prospects can't identify who you are selling to, who your target audience is, who you want to serve, they don't buy. Let me give you an example. Most probably you know Victoria's Secret's brand. They used to sell high-ticket lingerie to their clients. At a certain point, they decided to use the same brand to create even low-ticket offers, low-cost lingerie. This is a huge mistake. Indeed, if you are for everyone, you are for no one. They should have crafted a new brand with a different offer to reach a new target audience. Now, I have a question for you. Would you buy a Rolex for $500? It sounds strange, isn't it? If Rolex would create a low-ticket offer with the same brand, they lose credibility and for sure market shares. Rolex brand is for a specific target audience only. These are the main points the book Focus is built around. In each market category, in the long term, there is room for only one or two leaders. If you compete in a market where there is already a leader, and you position yourself as the leader too, you will compete on price. And honestly, this is the worst strategy you can pursue to succeed. To develop a successful brand, which can compete in an increasingly competitive world, it is necessary to focus on something specific, such as an idea, a modus operandi, a single product, and so on, in order to create a new market category where you can be known or perceived as the leader. Thanks to focalization, your company gets a clear direction, a fundamental element for developing a truly effective marketing strategy. Book number 3, $100 million Offers. How to make offers so good people feel stupid saying no. This is one of the best marketing books I read in my entire career. Alex Hormozi is a f***ing genius. This guy is really capable of simplifying concepts and making them practical and easy to use to sell anything. This book can be considered a practical manual to use many times. You get all the information you need to craft your irrefutable offer. As Alex said in his book, if you want to create a glam slam offer, you should focus on these 4 parameters: pricing, value, guarantees, and naming strategies. This is how Alex defines a grand slam offer. It's an offer you present to the marketplace that cannot be compared to any other product or service available, combined with an attractive promotion and an unmatchable value proposition, a premium price, and an unbeatable guarantee with a money model that allows you to get paid to get new customers. In a nutshell, the offer itself explains why you are different from your competitors. Always remember to present your grand slam offer to the right market, a starving crowd. Alex teaches how to find your profitable niche that can afford your products or services at higher prices. For sure, the best concept he shared in this book is the value equation. 4 parameters you have to focus your attention to if you want to create irresistible offers. As you can see from the picture, there are 4 primary drivers of value. 2 of the drivers on the top that you should increase, the other 2 on the bottom you will seek to decrease. Dream outcome multiplied by the perceived likelihood of achievement, all divided by time delay multiplied by effort and sacrifice. In a nutshell, your offer will be more compelling if you can guarantee to your potential clients to reach their dream outcome, ideally 100% guaranteed, in the short amount of time possible and ideally with a minimum effort or sacrifice. Have you ever wondered why pills for weight loss are still selling like crazy? Because you don't have to go to the gym to lose pounds. Just take the pill and you can eat everything you want. Obviously, it's false advertising, but people like the easy path to achieve big results without doing anything. It's totally crazy. But I'm pretty sure you have understood the concept behind a great offer. I highly recommend reading this book. Alex is one of the most brilliant minds I have encountered in the marketing field. Most probably, you have understood that marketing is a perceptions game. And it all starts with your brand positioning, which is the marketing strategy that puts your brand inside the mind of your potential client in a specific position of dominance. This is why I highly urge you to watch this video. 3-step strategy to create an effective brand positioning. Creating an effective brand positioning strategy is fundamental whether you are a professional or a small business owner or a content creator that wants to differentiate from others in the same field of competency. So, watch this video now.